Hello classmates, my name is Justin Schwimmer and this is my Unit 2 discussion response video. The presented architecture looks to be a decentralized architecture that uses the internet to link centralized networks of numerous computers in various locations. In contrast to the more recent cloud-based POS systems that the majority of businesses um, have created these days, the provided POS architecture is very hardwired. These cloud based POSs provide significant advantages like better accessibility, lower maintenance costs, and better data storage, which is all thanks to the development of cloud computing. Now, turning back to the design, um, we have two POS systems in various locations that are connected to the internet by a single ISP using a DSL modem. Personally, I think fiber optics should take its place because they allow for faster data transfer speeds, which will make data interception by hackers much more challenging. Um, then I would install a VPN on the routers to ensure that all connected devices are using encrypted data while connected, which adds an extra degree of security. The computers, servers, and printers are all connected by a network switch, which is also used to connect other devices to the network. Um, so we just have one server that's in location A, which is connected to a backup. So that's the architecture there. Let's now examine how we can change the architecture to make the system better. The fact that only location A has a server is a clear distinction between the two locations. I believe it is essential for each location using the POS to have its own server in order to establish a multi-server network. Higher speeds and more backup sources are possible with multi-server networks. By doing this, a redundant network will be built, which will ensure that the loss of data at one point won't damage the network as a whole. Additionally, because fewer resources will be needed to add to a single server, it's really more economical. Um, by connecting to a master server, which would have access to all system data and serve as the primary backup, these individual servers can be centralized. In the event of a server failure, each individual server would be able to function independently of the master server and offer all services required for the operation of the POS terminals. Moving on to the switch, network speed may be improvised if direct connections are established from the switch to each terminal. However, as we can see from the image, if the company is very small, having only two clients and a printer, and if the clients and printers are all connected via Wi Fi, it eliminates the need for a network switch, which is in it, which is incidentally a top target for network hackers. Um, we can simply connect to the server. Simply connect the server to the VPN router in that case. Additionally, VPN routers are capable of being bridged between networks, in which case they begin to function as switches. These could speed up and improve consistency. These days, there are also gateway modem routers that combine the modem and router into one unit. But doing this isn't typically advised because the network security isn't as good. Um, so, to make the design more efficient and secure, I would take these specific. I would update with these specific procedures to the architecture. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing your responses.